I'm going to be telling you how to get 1000 subscribers in 3 days with just copy and paste method here on YouTube. Yes, it's working. Whether you are doing faceless channel or not, or you are doing the type of content I do, in this video I'm going to be telling you the best way you can get 1000 subscribers in just 3 days with just following these methods I'm going to be telling you. These methods work magic. Now, before I go into that, I want you to try and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment after watching this video and like my video. Alright? I'm even going to be telling you some apps you are going to use as someone in the faceless channel niche. Now, these apps is going to help you a lot to create your content and make your video catchy and able to hook your audience to always come back to your channel and watch more of your videos. Number one method is pick a viral topic and niche. How do you know viral topics or niche to go into as a new YouTuber? It's not hard. All you have to do is check your dashboard. You know, when I started YouTube newly, I don't know anything about dashboard. I don't. So I was doing my research because since I opened this YouTube, I've been doing a lot of research of recent. I do a lot of research, both on YouTube, on Google, on ChatGPT, everywhere, even on WhatsApp, using Meta AI. I don't know, some of you don't know that Meta AI is as good and beautiful as ChatGPT. So what I do is, I go to your dashboard, look for those trending topics people search for. Now, if you don't know how to do it, enter Google, type YouTube dashboard. There is first thing it will bring out there. Click on it. It will take you straight to your channel without stress. Now, go to your, content. There, you see trends somewhere there. Click on that trend. It will bring out trending topics or you search it yourself. Now, use it and do your videos. Use those topics and do your videos. Or go to Google Trends. Search for trending topics in your niche. Make use of it.
The second method is copy and paste method. How do you do this copy and paste method? It's easy. Like, it's the easiest method you could ever think of. It's not difficult. So all you have to do is go to those successful YouTubers in your niche. Check for the trending videos in their niche that is doing very, very, very well. Just copy it and paste on your channel. I did not mean you should copy everything, no, that's not what I mean. I don't mean you should download their videos and post on your YouTube channel. Hell no. Okay, all you have to do is download the video. Yes, listen to that video very well. Watch the video from A to Z. Know the basic keywords they use in that video. Use it and create your own video. Post it on your YouTube channel. Write a well optimized SEO description. If possible, check their own description, copy it and paste on your own. Alright? Check their hashtags, do the same. Their title, do the same. You see that video will do excellently well. And you will see that you are in fact 99% close to hitting your 1000 subscribers in 3 days. The third method is by promoting your video with copy and paste comments. I know you've not heard of this before. Anyways, what I mean by copy and paste comments is just go to that same video where you copy that same thing. Go to their comment section. I made this type of video that will be very beneficial to you. You can check my YouTube channel, and I know that this method is going to blow up your channel. It is going to blow up your channel so well. You can even check other people in your niche that their videos is doing very well. Go to their comment section and promote your video under their comment section. It's not a taboo, it's not a crime. I know that this method is going to help you a lot. So do not be shy, do the right thing. Help yourself. See, we are in a jungle, so anything right that you do that will not make YouTube say that you are doing copy and paste, but that will help blow up your channel, do it. The fourth method I will say, which is my last for today, is post 3 times a day for 3 days. You think it's not possible, right? It is possible, 100%. It is very, very possible. Post 3 times a day. Please do not put out content that people will not benefit from, especially if you are in my niche. Create content that people will enjoy watching. Watching your videos will give them, will hook them to want to come back and watch more of your videos. We'll post at least 3 times a day for that 3 days. Engaging videos. Well optimized videos. Do your best to give your channel the best review that channel deserves. Do not be lazy. Now, do not give up when you post your first content and you did not do well. Do not give up. I have not given up. You will not give up. If you watched till this extent, why haven't you subscribed to my channel? Why haven't you liked? And why haven't you share this video to your friends? Now, if you are in a faceless channel niche, you can use ChatGPT. You can use invideo. You can use Pictory. All these apps. You can even use Meta AI to generate your faceless content videos that will blow up your channel in 3 good days, and you'll be happy with yourself. You know that I love you. Keep watching my videos, and I know that one day we all will smile because YouTube is going to favor us. See you in my next video.